Hey guys, how are you all guys doing? Welcome back to Ronnie Vlogs. And as you all guys know, my NDA's last day at Balno Academy is now over. And yes, our academy days are now over. And yesterday was my last class in which we got a little farewell. Means the farewell which you get at school, the same farewell had happened there. So yeah, we got samosas and many more videos, and we are little more funny talks with the teachers and the friends. So yeah, now officially our days at Balno Academy has got over, and now that I am at my home. And first let me tell you what was the experience at Balno Academy. Means the previous days, means the 4 months which course I had got, and at this time the last course of academy is there, the 45-day crash course for your ND September exam. So I think that that course could be available right now. If you want to get it, you can get it, because many of the viewers I met there had came after watching my videos. So I met at least 7 to 8 people. So yeah, do enjoy your academy sessions, and yes, don't forget to study at home, because it's a very important part to study at home, because only uh, making the notes from the academy is not enough. And after the academy is over, now the last 1 month is left for the ND exam, and today is the first day. So I wanted to tell that the academy days were just a plan starter. Means you had just got on the first step of your ladder to reach the officer's rank. Why I am saying so? Because after the academy is over, now I am realizing that how much self study is important. Because in the previous days I had covered the our GAT book, and general ability book is just a good thing to us, because if the theory could be remembered, then at least 200 of English and the 80 of geography, and some questions at least 320 marks could be achieved easily if the all theories remembered quite well. And yes, I want to tell one thing, that you surely have to do some question practice, because the physics and chemistry part doesn't contain questions, and the theory is not that much superbly written, but they are like a short notes for the physics and chemistry. And for the geography, history, economics, you get the complete notes with questions, and that questions could be marked if you easily if you want to, because the answers are given at back side. Why I'm throwing it? So yes, you can see it that I have marked all the questions, and I am surely going to get a retta of these questions, because if any of the questions arrives in the ND exam, I could easily take it without hesitation and saving my time. So yes, I want to tell one thing, for the civics part you do not get any theory, and you only get questions here. So there is one thing definitely I wanted to tell you guys. You surely have to go through the academy. If you think that we have just taken the books and admission FOND, and now we know the whole syllabus and how to prepare, now we can prepare at home, and we do not want to have to go to academy daily. We will just go to 1 or 2 days and skip the rest of the days, or skip the classes. So I wanted to tell you one thing, that the book doesn't contain all of the theories which I have told you earlier. And also the extra notes which the teacher had taught in the class are not written in this book, and I got to know this book because I had taken a whole revision of the book some 8 to 9 days ago, and now I understand that the book doesn't contain all the theory part which the teacher had taught there. I am talking about something of our biology, something of our geography, and something of our polity, and something of our in not English. And so these are the three subjects, and something of our economics is being lagged here. So yes, I wanted to tell you one thing, that you do not get the whole of the theory in just one book. You have to surely make the notes, and the notes should be clear with some good handwriting, because after that you have to also remember that, and it's not a easy task to get through the notes if they are dirty. And why I am telling this? I am telling this for the children who are going to the who are planning to attend the academy after the September exam, those who are the 11th class or those who are the 12th appearing. So I was just telling for them because I met children there and I now realized that my videos are now getting to people, and yes, they watch at least 5 minutes or 6 minutes of the 7 to 8 minutes video. So yep, thank you guys for watching this much video. And yes, I had just cleared your doubts about the academy, and the faculty there is just like awesome. So you just have to follow them and their notes, and you will get through your exam if you will study hardly at home also. So don't not just getting at the academy is enough for securing marks. And yes, I wanted to tell you one thing, that for the math part you get the math book which has enough questions. And yep, there are almost 1000+ questions in the math book, not 1000 but more than that. So don't worry for the math practice. And yep, if you want to get any extra book for your home preparation, if you're preparing at home, I wanted to tell you one book which I got to know, that is R.S. Agarwal NDA book. So that is also awesome. The teacher said that many of the arts student had passed through the book by getting the book. So yep, I want to tell you that if you want to prepare at home, do preparing, but yep, follow the notes and also the best strategies to secure at least the passing marks for the maths and for the GAT. You can get as much as you want and as much as you can remember. So that's all thing. And now the academy is over, so now my full focus would be on to remember all the GAT at least very good, so that I do not lose any marks in the history, geography, polity, and also the economics. The economics part has 2 to 4 to 3 questions, at least 20 marks. So my plan is to now remember the whole GAT book very wisely. And the maths part is my planning is to get at least 100 marks in the maths, because the maths exam has 120 questions. So I am just planning to get 100 marks out of the 120 into my 2.5. So you get something 300 marks. So I am just preparing to get 100. And the passing marks questions are very less, means you have to just do 35 questions and you will be passed. So now I think that I could pass this exam which is going to happen in September. And the only thing I lack right now is the maths practice. So I want to tell you one thing, just not focus on the maths but also the GAT, because the GAT section is much bigger than the maths. And if you will getting 100 marks in maths and 400 in GAT, then your overall score is 500, more than most of the children, and your merit list name is confirmed right here. So yes, do prepare well. And also if you have any doubts about the academy or any of the books which I have make you show here, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to know the path for the Banlo Academy, you can easily search on the Google, or you have just got the right review here. So yes, don't forget to like and also to subscribe. Bye bye.
Through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no.